There are many different types of society. The three main types are early societies, developing societies, and advanced societies. Early societies mostly focused on the cultivation of resources that were readily available to them through hunting and gathering and taking care of domesticated animals. As far as gaining resources was concerned, early societies used those that they could access through walking or using basic tools. Developing societies created systems of creating and harvesting resources through horticulture and agriculture. The primary products of these systems were needs such as food and shelter. In advanced societies, the major products of manufacturing and industry were ones such as technology and advanced communication. Also, advanced societies shifted from focusing on physical goods to spreading ideas. As a result, advanced societies have experienced breakthroughs in scientific research. The first type of the different types of society is early society. The two major forms of society in this category are hunter-gatherer societies and pastoral societies. Hunter and gatherings. Hunter-gatherer societies were the first form of society to exist. The members survived primarily by hunting, trapping, fishing, and gathering edible plants. The majority of the members' time is spent looking for and gathering food. Hunting included such activities as trapping and fishing. The main characteristics of hunter-gatherer societies are relative isolation of families and individuals and small community sizes, subsistence based on easily available resources such as plants and animals in the surrounding environment, nomadic lifestyle, division of labor based on the sex of the individual, men hunted and women gathered. Pastoral society. Pastoral societies began around 12,000 years ago. They domesticated animals and began raising them for food and manual labor purposes. Pastoral societies are common in areas where crops cannot be supported, for example, in North Africa. Unlike hunting and gathering societies, pastoral societies only have to move when the land in which the animals graze is no longer usable. Pastoral societies also allow for job specialization, since not everyone is needed to gather or hunt for food. For example, while some people breed animals, others are able to produce tools or clothing, which allows for specialization in these areas. The main characteristics of pastoral societies include domestication and raising of animals, increase in the specialization of duties, as different individuals would raise and domesticate different animals, less frequent need for moving from place to place. Developing societies. The second of the different types of society is a developing society. In this category are horticultural societies and agricultural societies. Individuals in these societies raised plants and animals expressly for the purposes of using them for food or other purposes. Horticultural society. Horticultural societies were created between 10 and 12,000 years ago in Latin America, the Middle East, and Asia. Horticulture refers to the raising of plants to reap the benefits of their individual properties. In fact, the entire society was essentially built around the life cycle of plants and how easily they could be cultivated. Agricultural society, also referred to as agrarian societies. Agricultural societies rely on the use of technology in order to cultivate crops in large areas, including wheat, rice, and corn. The technological advances led to an increase in food supplies, an increase in population, and the development of trade centers. This period of technological changes is referred to as the Agricultural Revolution and began around 1,500 years ago. Industrial society. Industrial societies are named after the ever-increasing use of industrialization and machinery to innovate and make scientific and technological advances. Industrial societies began through the industrialization of the textile industry. The industrialization definition distinguishes industrialized countries from developing or underdeveloped countries because it means that a nation has developed an economy and society that focuses on industry and produces goods via mass production. Post-industrial society. A post-industrial society is a stage in a society's evolution when the economy shifts from providing goods and products to one that mainly offers services. A manufacturing society is comprised of people working in construction, textiles, mills, and production workers, whereas in the service sector, people work as teachers, doctors, lawyers, and retail workers. In a post-industrial society, technology, information, and services are more important than manufacturing actual goods.